Hello and welcome to the channel. On this service light reset episode walkthrough how-to, we're going to be resetting the maintenance light on a 2009 Toyota Corolla. We are inside the vehicle. We're going to go ahead and turn the key on to the on position. In order to successfully trigger the maintenance reset, you have to have the car, when it's powered on, be in the trip A format. So just push the button and cycle through trip A, trip B, odometer, and you want to end on trip A, and then you're going to turn the car off. Next, you're going to go ahead and push the trip button and then turn the key to the on position, and you'll see the menu there, trigger down and count down, and the maintenance light will flash and reset, and the trip A will return. And that's it. Again, this is how you reset the oil light or maintenance light on a Toyota Corolla 2009 model year and the subsequent model years of the same series. Please subscribe to the channel if you found this helpful. Drop a comment down below. We do the best we can to help you out here on the channel. Thanks again, and we'll see you on the next one.